7 here. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own swirl wallpaper. Now, as you can see here, I have a swirl wallpaper on my home screen, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this. This can be done using PicsArt, and it is really simple to do. So let's hop into PicsArt. I'll keep this tutorial pretty short, about a minute or so. So hop into PicsArt. You need to click on the plus icon. We're creating a new, and we'll be using photos. So we could select from our photos here. We could select one with multiple colors because it will give it a better look. Okay, so let's select this one with the blue and the pink and so on. So now, once you've selected your photo, what you need to do next is to click on Tools, Stretch, and then you have Swirl Counterclockwise or Swirl Clockwise. Now, it does not really matter which one you select, as long as you select one of the swirl tools. So let's select swirl clockwise. So let me go back and show you how to do that. Click on Tools, Stretch, Swirl. So now, once the swirl has been selected, you need to tap on the swirl again to increase the power. You could also increase the size of the swirl. Okay, so once you've done that, you've increased the power and the size, you could simply tap on the photo and it will begin to swirl in various parts of the image. So you could do that until you get the desired look. To set this as your wallpaper, so I'll just twirl this up a bit and then I will crop it down so that it could fit as my wallpaper. So you could twirl it as much as you'd like, so just keep on twirling until you blend the colors real good. So this is, well, I've been seeing it making rounds on TikTok, so you could check it out there. So you could do some gentle swirls or you could do aggressive swirls. It all depends on what you want to do. So once you feel accomplished with what you've been doing, you could simply click on the check icon in the top right and just save the image. So this isn't the best swirl, this is just for demonstration purposes. So just click on the check mark, and then from here what you could do is to click on Tools and you could crop the image. So let's click on Crop, and then we're going to set it as, well, you could set it as Story and click on Save, and we're done. Just click on the arrow and save this to our gallery, and let's click on Done, and then we could simply use that as our wallpaper. So that is how you'd be able to do that. Okay, good. So my wallpaper has been changed. Now this all depends on how you like to change your photo. You could take more time to do this more precise, but that is just the basis of how to use PicsArt to create this swirl effect on photos. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy this tutorial, feel free to subscribe, as I'll be posting TikTok trends, tutorials, editing and all of that. So if you want to keep up to date, you could just simply subscribe to my channel to keep up to date. So thank you guys for watching. Hacker 007 out.